Sales reports. This tutorial will address the following reports: sales breakdown, sales by billing code, sales by customer category, sales detail by agent, tax breakdown, sales by ad code by zip, auto glass sales by part category, and cost of goods sold. Sales breakdown report. You will want to run this report on a daily basis. Click on Report, Sales Breakdown. Enter in the beginning and ending date range. At report type, select Auto. Payouts would be anything paid out of your petty cash. In this example, gas for a vehicle. Enter in an opening cash amount and click on View to generate the report. The report will break down sales with invoice number, customer number, parts, kits, labor, tax, deductible, wage deductible, and invoice totals. Click on the next page. Tax collected by tax code with amount, payment breakdown, and payout breakdown and deposit breakdown will show, and then we'll show the bank deposit for the day. Sales by billing code. Click on Report, Sales by billing code. Enter in a date range and click on View. This report will list billing code description, sales total for billing code with a total for all listed. Sales by customer category. Click on Report, Sales by customer category. Enter in a date range. Click on View. The report will list customer category, description, materials, labor, tax, and total amounts with grand totals for each. Sales detail by agent. Click on Report, Sales detail by agent. Enter in the date range and leave the agent range blank to list all agents. Click on View. Each agent will be listed with customer number, agent name and insurance company, the date, invoice number, customer name, amounts for repair and replacement, and invoice amount with subtotal for each agent and grand totals. Sales by agent. Click on Report, Sales by agent. Enter in the date range and agent range. Leave blank if you want to view all agents and click on View. Each agent will be listed with customer name, phone number, year, make, model of vehicle, part number, and invoice amount, subtotals for each agent and grand total. Tax breakdown. Click on Report, Sales, Tax breakdown. Enter in a date range and click on View. This report will list non-taxable totals and taxable totals for parts, labor, kits, repairs, and total for each tax code and list total sales. Please note the amount of tax owed is obtained from the sales breakdown report. Sales by ad code. Click on Report, Sales by ad code. Enter in the date range and click on View. Each advertising code will be listed with description and total sales and grand total sales. Please note that if there is not an advertising code attached to an invoice, it will show as NA. Sales by ad code by zip. Click on Report, Sales by ad code by zip. Enter date range and click on View. For each zip, the advertising code description, quantity of invoices, and sales amount for each ad code, and the grand total for zip code, and then grand totals for all zip codes. Auto glass sales by part category. Click on Report, Sales, Auto glass sales by part category. Enter in the date range, customer range, leave blank to include all, and company range. Click on View. Each part category, quantity, non-taxable total, taxable total, and total with grand totals for each. Cost of goods sold. Click on Report, Sales, Cost of goods sold. Enter in a date range and part range. Leave blank to include all parts. Click on View. Part number, quantity, purchase costs, sold price, and profit amount will be listed for each part with grand totals.